Good evening all. My name is Arya Anand, one of the members from our Edu Skills family. Before starting, I'd like to thank Father Celine Joseph, admin members and Kata support team members for this great opportunity. Hope everybody knows regarding the scores. All Edu Skills family members are trying to get A score. And I am sure with Father's strategy, we can definitely achieve our goal. As Father always says, fall in love with OET, but I think before that, we should fall in love with Edu Skills. So let's start our part A introduction. Listening subtest consists of three parts, part A, part B and part C. In part A, there are two extracts. Each extract contains 12 questions, so total 24 questions. Then part B consists of 6 questions and part C consists of 12 questions. Part A is fill in the blanks type questions and part B and C are MCQ type questions. So total we have 42 questions in listening subtest. So in exam format part A listening subtest, the two extracts are the discussion between a health professional and a patient. So we have to focus on patient-led dialogue. That means most of the time the answers will be from patient's mouth. But definitely we have to listen to the health professional part as well. Then only we will get the correct sequence of the conversation. Then second one, 30 seconds to read the 12 questions before the audio begins with a beep sound. This 30 second is known as the golden seconds to predict, anticipate or foreseeing our answer. And this method is known as the first method. Then third one, write the exact word or phrase as given in the audio. That means whatever we are listening in the audio, the same should be written in our answer. That means we are not supposed to be paraphrase the answer. Then fourth one, beware of paraphrasing synonymous language in the question statement. That means the same words should not be there in the audio and question statement. It can change. Then typos. Typos are okay. That means minor spelling mistakes are acceptable. For example, for in a word, if you have written 1L instead of 2L, that is acceptable only. But make sure you will not change the meaning of the word or the pronunciation. Then it will be penalized. So these are some parts we have to be focused on. Then we have some listening strategies. First one is prediction or anticipation. For prediction, we have to look the word before the gap and after the gap. This will definitely help you to get the answer. Then second one, beware of paraphrasing. As I told before, the word or the phrase will not be same as in the question and in the audio. Then third one, beware of synonyms, so synonymous language. Then fourth one, beware of collective words. Collective words, for example, smokers, birds, cookies, like that. Then while listening the audio, we have to focus on scale. I hope everybody knows regarding the scale. That means all is not most is not many, many is not a few or some, and a few or some is not few. Then second one synonyms, then third one synonymous language, then fourth one paraphrasing, then fifth one collective words, then sixth one adjective, then seventh one chronological or time expressions. For example, firstly, next, then, after that, like that. Then contrast, then modal verbs. So we should be focused on these things also. And in your question paper, it will be like, look at the context, extract 1, questions 1 to 12. So we should be aware about the context. It is very important to know the context. If you know the context, you will know what's going to happen or what will be the conversation. So, in our today's topic, you hear a gastroenterologist talking to a patient called Andrew Taylor. So, we have to predict the answer. What will be the conversation between a gastroenterologist and a patient? Sometimes the words you are predicting will not be the same, but it will be related to the same. So, we should listen to the audio carefully. Listen to the audio, write the same word what you are hearing in the audio, and complete the notes with a word or short phrase. And please remember, each seconds in our 30 golden seconds are valuable. So listen to the audio carefully.